to go to Fort Santiago. I'm on my way right now, and so we'll see you guys there. Yeah.
Perfect.
We marched.
Yeah.
Did we plan it, Kuya?
I don't know.
Yellow. It's nice. Hello.
Hello, Nigeria. See you soon.
See you soon. Meet Kuya Eddie. He's taking me
Hi.
to Intramorus.
My name's Eddie. My last name Handsome.
Eddie. Oh my god. Hi, Kuya. Look at the line.
Oh.
This is how much?
20 pesos.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Yeah.
Waka waka.
It's a lot of people. It's a long line. Everyone is so eager to go. People are tired of staying indoors. Yeah, I guess I will have to wait my turn. I finally got in. I'm gonna check how many minutes it took me to get inside, but it is almost getting dark right now. So I'm just gonna go around and show you guys Fort Santiago, one of my favorite spots here in Manila. There seem to be a lot of people here, so I'm trying to avoid that. So I'm going to go around the wall and then walk my way down. If you look at the bricks, you can see that these are like not the normal sized bricks, because this wall was constructed in the late 1550s. Excuse me. So this is the moat, right, that was built around the city as a form of protection. The main fortress of Intramorus was established by Miguel de Lopez de Legazpi on the site of the former wooden fort of Raja Soliman in the year 1571. Where I'm entering right now is known as the Raja Soliman Theatre and the School for Petty Officers. Site of Jose Rizal Chapel spent his final evening prior to his execution, destroyed during the Second World War, being converted to an outdoor theatre known as Raja Soliman Theatre, 1967. The most important thing about Fort Santiago is that this was where Jose Rizal, this was where he was placed in before he was executed. And Jose Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. He's the first man. He was the one that started speaking up against the Spaniards, and he did it in such an amazing way that really awoken the Filipino people to fight against the colonizer. So this is why this spot is really important. So we're gonna go to his statue now. In the past that I used to visit here, there were steps of Rizal, like the footmark of his the steps that he took from the room that where he was held captive to where he was killed by the firing squad. There used to be a mark of it on the floor, but I don't see it anymore because here it says here Dr. Rizal last walk of to Martyrdom Trail. This is the national hero of the Philippines, Dr. Rizal. Dungeons of Fort Santiago. This is it. It's dark inside. Look at how deep these prisons are. Look at how deep these dungeons are. Look at that. With Fort Santiago, there's a lot of dark history, a lot of death, a lot of sadness. Sitting right here that, you know, people come here every day and we do actually take it lightly because we're alive. But Fort Santiago is not really, it's not a fun place. It's more of, you know, the dark history of Philippines, the dark history of what Filipinos, like your great grandfathers had to go through for it to be a nation that it is today. Is it going? Makati. So this is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.